I slow bacteria. I don't stop it. 40 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. That's the rule. Ignore expiration dates and you're gambling with microbes. Check my date before you sip. Warm air plus time equals bacterial party. Sniff test isn't always science. Keep me sealed and down low. Cross-contamination spreads faster than rumors. Cook me to 165-degree false. No guessing games. 3 to 4 days. That's my limit. Forget me back here and I turn into a science project. Label me or lose me. I'm not decoration. I'm control. Above 400 bacteria multiply fast. Respect the numbers or risk the stomach ache.
I'm all about care before chaos. A little knowledge prevents a lot of pain. Subscribe to my channel and stay ready, always.